I did figure out the combo issue at the last one, so we'll double back over there. The owner changed the combo. So we're going to take a look at this thing. Second Street. So let's go see this out. Alright, so we got a lot of wood rot. The columns on the bottom are falling apart and kind of splitting out. So we got to resupport them. I'm really thinking wrapping everything in aluminum would benefit the heck out of a lot of stuff here. So we got a lot of rotten, or not rotten, but well, yeah, plenty of rotten wood and a lot of chipping and peeling paint. So probably easier just to cover it up. We got old windows. That's never fun dealing with lead paint issues. So we got our side door, backyard, little space back here. No super crazy trees, but that branch has to go. They've already done some work on the back here. They used to have power lines up there, but they got cut off, so I don't know what the deal with the power here is, but we'll figure it out. One tip, if you're ever looking at properties and you're not sure of the condition, take a flashlight. It helps tremendously. Let's go look at the inside. Alrighty, front porch. Needs a lot of work. Just figure that's a full replacement. Needs a new front door. Living and dining. Need some flooring. Some drywall, some paint. This thing definitely needs windows. That one's gonna be expensive. Why? Because they can be. So here's our kitchen. This is probably salvageable. New windows. Fridge would go there or there. There's your stove hookup. One thing I like about Ohio is it's all gas. And we got a room here. Another room here. Yeah, these windows are jacked. So flooring and paint, which I pretty much figure every house is gonna need. We got a full bath here. And let's go down first. Remember, you hear me saying that I like looking at houses when it's raining, and here's why. Because I can tell where the water's coming from. Overall, just looks like it's leaching more than likely. Seeing the outside, it just needs the gutters cleaned. So we got two panels here, and they're both new. We got some new water lines. They pulled the old wiring out. That's just a big junk. Needs to come out. Two gas meters, two laundry hookups. So we got separate gas, we got separate electric. More than likely just one water. That's from '09. That needs to be replaced. And there used to be a gas furnace here, but that is no longer here. Ooh. That wasn't cut, that broke. So we got some water line issues. And we've got another water heater over here. Gonna tell us your age, Mr. Water Heater. And 04. And there was another furnace there. So those are not much ahead. But ductwork looks newer. Clean. It's got the mastic like paint on there, not as much foil tape. New water lines. Let's go check out upstairs. All right, back here. So the kitchen's right through there. And then obviously basement, side door, back door. See how bulging that is? That's water issues. Alright, what do we got here? Alright, we'll go check out the attic next. So we got 2 bedrooms on the main level. We got another bedroom here. Bedroom number 4 in here. Full bath number 2. And then we got another whole kitchen in here. And another front room. So literally just a mirror image of everything downstairs. As rotten as that thing is, I really don't want to walk out there, so we're not going to. We'll keep our heads out there and look. If I scream like a little girl, it's because I fell through the roof. Alright, overall decent shape. Definitely needs a coat. New wood everywhere. Not sure what that is, but it's beeping. All right, so we got 2 mirror images of each other. Let's go back to the stairs to see how we can get into here. Or no, we still gotta look at the attic. Forgot about that. Alright, so it's finished up here. I wish it wasn't. Because if it wasn't, then I could see what the roof looks like from the inside, which I always like doing. Maybe make this a bedroom. And if you can see that lovely stuff, that looks like glue. No water leaks. I'm not seeing any water staining or anything up here, which is always a bonus. But this thing needs a bunch.